Manje boboleka uzabuthatha utshwala babantu abangaka. Yebo noma simemile kodwa bengaso bangaka.
Awuzanika namhlanje.
What fruit is famous for keeping the doctor away?
Yo ma 2000 nifike seku right kulento ezi relationships zazike zasitsalela thina. Uplita umuntu oyi1 kuphela 6 months uplitana nomuntu oyi1. Phela inyanga ezimbini esithi uyocinga. Hey uyadlala wena. After evela ukuyocinga afike sesithi ndixelele izizathu ezi5 ezoba kutheni mina nizothandana nawe.
Yo
Nithi senithandana usajongeleyo senithandana ke ngoku. Uthi kubenzima ndisho kiss uthi usondeza umlomo athi
POV, you stream in the hood.
What the fuck? Ilight pura asinayo mita. Ufuna ilight?
Yolenza apha.
Ufuna ilight idaya mko ufuna into enziwa apha. Khetha ibe 1.
Light ta.
Ilight asinayo.
Yolenza apha lo.
Bendukhethisile nje brown khetha ilight.
ingano latata we-ANC uHelen Zille. Frankfurt
N2 Frankfurt
N2
Volkswagen BN2 ya
Wamba Nonqo hayi bononqo usuck and crocs.
Engathi kenye ibhula exam. Not sonke in life sobusiswa ngezibusiso ezifanayo. Umzekelo, uyakwazi ungabi namoto, ungabi nandle, ungabi na cherry, ungabi namntana, ungabi namali. Isibusiso sakho wena ubusiswa ngoba wena uphila ka. As long as umphefumulo esadibene nenyama.
Isibusiso njani leso? Yo.
OOTD, Zinaiki, DM for prices, Chiburukwana, Mr. Price for kids, Chikipa, Redebete, Wachi, Mugura wa Debeni, Chikepisana, Yoga Muguriani, Mazaza, Mugura wa Pitori, Tirisigisti.
Gameplay language, I think ningayithetha le language. Zibrukwe, ziskipa, zikepusi. Ufaka nje uthi phambili. 360.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Turn up the music away so quick. So Spider-Man arrives. Saxophone keeps getting louder. Hamba Spidey. Man of the day,
EFF this year. We are going to vote for EFF. Local government elections, all of us, we must vote for EFF. EFF is the future.
You're a leader.
EFF is there to make sure that economic emancipation is there now.
You're a leader.
EFF is the way. No,
we talk about what you annoy
our president. The future looks so bright. Viva!
Viva!
Enkingeni la umuntu usenkingeni la itraffic igcwele ivalile itraffic la le moto ayinagiya igiya nalo la esitulweni traffic ivalile na igcwele ayitshintshi ihamba ngo1 kuphela yabo igiya inalo la ayishintshi hamba ngo1 nje kuphela
emakhuluwa abasemthatha bangondliwe mana le ndoda ifikile le ifikile la ndoda madoda ongondliyo nje usenqabeni futhi emaphepha
Moses
manda ungitshela i-girlfriend allowance kumele iqale ngimalini.
There's no girl allowance. There's no girl allowance. Oh my God! Kukwena ukuthi umuntu wesifazana wakho undondozana ayikho into ethi girl allowance.
Danko.
Relationship ayikho emayelana nemali. Emayelana nothando.
Danko.
Ngothanda umuntu wakho nje noma engenalutho. Wakho nje.
Uwe naye uvuka na.
Yes. Ayikho into ethi girl allowance.
Hey, ngadine isimane 80s.
Wabona lama VIP wena ayasilahla siyakuphi ngoba igame isiyaphela. Siyakuphi sponsor la khona VIP ngoba sesifuna ukuthenga itikiti bathi kusala VIP kuphela. Siyalahleka thina. Hayibo. Hayi ngeke. Igame isiyaphela sibone ukuthi kukuphi VIP yakhona. Yabona makuyile Chiefs nyana yenu le isijoyela kabe. Hawu. Iyaphela igame abasikhombe la khona igame.
Unoma US, une LS, une US.
Siya VIP sayithenga 170 tickets. Asambe nesibelene emuva. Sobona ngalenzansi. Hayi. Asibelene emuva phansi.
You are taking the wrong guy.
Iyaphela igame sana something. Siloko sidlula nalesilethe singazi. Nale FNB lahlanayo le. Hayi kahleni. Siyazula bathe sold out kodwa basicambela manga si sold out. Asi sold out lena bathe sold out isathenga iVIP ticket. Bafuna ukudla ngathi basijoyela kabi. Azodela iChiefs thina. Isold out enjani? Isold out enjani ona le? Kukuphi khona la kumele ungena ama VIP? Sama VIP kodwa samabhangani abasikhombisi la kumele singene khona samabhangani. Mina ngithi sasa sadumala eSMP.
Yes.
So maba.
Hayi
Uno
angisho lutho.
It's even higher than Zabai. Which one is this one? Yeah, that's what I hear. Group. Don't say Zigo. They never managed to buy the new kit for upcoming season. So yes, what they bring out your boy.
a better life for all. High ANC must just go. Like iyafana no Congolose le nonsense. Yenziwe babo len iyafana le building a better community for all. Hayi mayami.
Bathi bayibhala kayi-2 apha ku-grade apha phezulu.
Naphi ungayenzi kanjalo. Khumbula leya video leyabo wenze kanjani? Ungayenzi kanjalo. Qala ngaleli la ku right.
Leli ngapha.
Ngiyakuthemba ungayenza lento le. Yeah. Yeah, ngiyakuthemba muntu wami uyishaya lento le. Yeah.
We can't be led by thugs called Ngizwe and others with a name that I can't even understand. They can't do that. This is the land. We can't be led by people who don't even know they are standing.
What tribe are you and what tribe wouldn't you date?
I'm Venda. I wouldn't date. I'm actually very open with tribes, but I wouldn't date like outside South Africa.
Yes, we said expensive yay.
Who am I with here today?
Little bit problem because I don't know why.
I see your shoes. What's the outfit of the day? What's the word?
Sure.
Okay, what's the jacket? Tell me the jacket. What's up with the jacket, bro? I see the jacket.
Do you still want to know about this?
For the video, bro.
You want this interview or not?
Yeah. She's acting crazy now. I don't know what she's doing, bro. WV, thank you, bro.
I'm so confused.
Unyaka wakho ozalwa 1845 uzemva koSmenoff yena umbhuti wakho omdala kuyi
1818
ngoka 1818 uhambile ke inyanga ezintandathu emanzini usuka kulizwe laseLondon usize eKapa usuka othula eDoxy awafuna ukohlika enqwelweni eDoxy wathi mawukhangela ikhaya lakho nyani abelungu bambacuzile
If you are renting out equipment,
which one would you prefer, Amabinga or Gens who wear Nike?
Amabinga ke bafengana.
Mazulu wale badi how.
You Nike.
Bale badi how. You know the how.
What sound does a lion make? It growls. Growls? Yeah. How does it growl? Like grrr. Come again? Grrr. Like grrr. Come again? Grrr.
Hello kaloku. Nawu lahlekelo yi-70,000.
Mali 70.
Siyafana.
You anifani.
Hope of kabuhlungu mna nami. Utshela mafwena. Nawe i-70,000 ibhetele le ikuku yaphinde ibuye i-7
You 70.
Funny ukwanele sana kulala nokula Wesley. La Wesley kuyafuna nothatha ukwanele ndanicela Jesi. Jesi zamini uma sibisela lokusindlovele ukwanele lapha elanikini 29. So ndlovele ukwanele 29 la Wesley yamoshakala ukwanele. Ndibone ikiti ayithanga lakhe. Yo. Hayi ngalamaxhego wembamba asekhosini.
Ingadonwabile nje ukwanele tayabo. I hope you enjoyed today's video, Bafetu. If you are seeing me for the first time, Kamlam Amani, the channel, I'm bringing you the best of local content. So if that is your thing, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.
I'm Amani, come and vibe with me. Real South Africa is what you see. Funny reactions, hidden gems. culture people, we discovered them. Every journey tells a story true. Welcome to Amani. This adventure's made for you.